Learn more about our top-of-the-line FalconEye 3 to 5 cam streaming camera system designed for truckers and fleets. You can view and transfer videos on any computer and phone. Allows you to add a SIM card, which allows for live streaming on any device anywhere in the USA. Also, you can connect to any Wi-Fi network for live streaming, transferring video and much more. With max memory option of 1 TB, you can store up to 4 weeks of videos. Can add up to 5 high-definition waterproof cameras. Can be mounted anywhere. All cameras include bright low-light video and recording. All cameras are designed for heavy-duty trucking environment. Can add a 7-inch or 10-inch monitor, which will allow you to view up to 5 cameras while driving backing up. With GPS, you will be able to locate your trucks at all times. With G-Sensor, you can receive instant alerts if any vehicle is involved in an accident. Drivers will not be able to delete videos, change settings, or turn off system without password and without key. Want to try it before you buy it? Samples may be available. We have a limited amount, so request one today. Do you want to learn more? Contact us today and we can send you information and a quote with volume discounts. There is no risk to try this system because we offer a 100% money-back guarantee. Reduce your insurance costs. Improve driver safety. Protect yourself or your fleet and contact us today.